everybody, my name is Chinmayi and I am from India. Today I'll show you how to make a galaxy in a jar. For this we'll need a jar, a paintbrush, mixing palette, some cotton, 2 containers of water, some paper cups, colored sand. This is optional. If you want to use it you can. Glitter glue, acrylic colors. You can use any colors of your choice. So let's start. So first we need to take some cotton and place it over here. So we'll put one layer of cotton. Then we need to pour some colored sand in a palette if you want to, and then you use any glitter glue of your choice. So now we pour the glitter glue onto the colored sand and then we mix it. So first we pour some sand, any color of your choice, and this mixture we made. Then we are going to take some paint. So first we need to make pink. So we are going to mix red and white. And we take some red. So now that we have made pink, we are going to take a cup. So after taking the cup, we are going to put the pink color in here. And then we take some water and mix it. So then we pour the water over the cotton. We are going to need some more. So after that, we put another layer of cotton. And we repeat the same step for all the other layers. So I poured the sand, and this time I try to put the sand on the edges, so after we are done making it we can see how it looks. So now I am done with my second layer and I am starting my third layer the same way. So now I am pouring light blue. So first the sand on the sides. So just to make the jar more sparkly, I have put some golden glitter glue around the jar, inside the jar, not outside. So now I am starting with my fourth layer, And remember not to push the cotton so much, otherwise the other layers will mix into any other color. So first I am putting the glitter glue again. And some sand. So now I am doing my final layer. And the last color is going to be pink again. So I am washing my brush. So now this is our last layer. We'll just soak up some of the water and just close the lid. So we are done making galaxy in a jar, and using the same technique I've made 2 ocean in a jars. So one is this and one is this. Please try this craft. It's really fun, and you can put these as a showpiece to decorate your house. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.